people, welcome back to Healthy Literacy. Today I will discuss about how to remember the Constitution of India. So there are so many people who are not well aware of Bare Acts. First, this is called Bare Act, which is usually used by advocates, professionals, judges, law graduates or aspirants. Now, what is Bare Act? It is basically a dictionary of any section of a particular act. It is the exact text of a particular enactment as it was passed by the legislature. Now let's talk about how to remember the Constitution of India. Sometimes it's very difficult for us to remember each and every article, sections, parts, subjects. So what I did, I used sticky notes here and place it on every page where parts are introduced. Alright, as you can see it. I write part, subject and article on it, which is very important to remember. It not only helps you to remind the articles, parts or subject, but also help you to just hold on to that particular topic which you want to study rather than finding it in index, Let's go further. So always remember one thing, that we have to focus on topics which is important for our exam. It is not necessary to learn all the topics because we have so much to study. So let's see what topics are the most important and should be focused upon. जैसा कि मैंने यहाँ पर इंडेक्स बनाया है, parts, subject and articles, and we have 395 articles here. अब इन 395 आर्टिकल्स में से आपको कौन से ऐसे क्वेश्चंस हैं जो पूछे जाते हैं? लेट्स सी. सो आवर फर्स्ट पार्ट इज द यूनियन एंड इट्स टेरिटरीज, आर्टिकल 1 to 4. इट्स नॉट एक्चुअली इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर अस. आवर सेकेंड पार्ट इज द सिटीजनशिप, आर्टिकल 5 to 11. इट इज़ एक्चुअली इम्पॉर्टेंट आफ्टर द सिटीजनशिप अमेंडमेंट एक्ट. सो वी कैन हाईलाइट दिस citizenship. Alright, this is important. Our next part is the fundamental rights, article 12 to 35. Directive principles of state policy, article 36 to 51. Part 4th A, fundamental duties, 51A article. So we can make a combo of fundamental rights, directive principle of state policy and fundamental duties. This is important. These all are important, So yeah. Our next part is 5th, the union, 52 to 151. Part 6th, the states, article 152 to 237. So part 5th and part 6th is also important. We can make a combo of these two also. This is important. The union and the states. So the union is central government. The states is state government. आप यहाँ पर attorney general पढ़ेंगे तो यहाँ पर advocate general. The union में आप president पढ़ेंगे तो यहाँ पर governor, prime minister, chief minister. So I want you all to focus on the union and the state at the same time. जब आप यूनियन पढ़ेंगे तो आप स्टेट्स का भी पढ़ना साथ में. जब आप यहाँ पे प्रेसिडेंट का पढ़ेंगे तो साथ में आप गवर्नर का पढ़ना. आपको इजीली हो जाएगा लर्न करना. So our next part is 7th, the states in part B of the first schedule, article 238. So this is not important at all. It is actually repealed, so it's not important. Let's go to our further article, that is part 8, the union territories, article 239 to 242. This is important actually. This is important. So the union territories का special status है. आप यहाँ पर इसमें दिल्ली का special status के बारे में पढ़ लेना, जो कि दिया हुआ है. वेट, 239AA। ऑलराइट, 239AA में आपको दिल्ली का स्पेशल स्टेटस दिया गया है, द यूनियन टेरिटरीज। So these are the topics which is important: fundamental rights, directive principles of state policy, fundamental duties, the union, the states and the union territories. Okay, so now part 9th, the panchayats. Part 9th A, the municipality. Part 9th B, the cooperative society. इनका combination है. The panchayats, article 243 to 243O. The municipality 243P to 243ZG. The cooperative society 243ZH to 243ZT. So these are important, but आपको इसमें से ज़्यादा questions नहीं आते हैं. So we can highlight these three also. Right. Part 10th, the scheduled and tribal areas, article 244 to 244A. This is important. You will get to know about the SC, ST here. Part 11th, relations between the union and the states. This is also important. Article 245 to 263. This is important. आपको रिलेशन पता चलता है, द यूनियन, सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट और स्टेट गवर्नमेंट का क्या रिलेशन है, वो आपको आर्टिकल 245 टू 263 में दिया गया है. नाउ पार्ट 12, फाइनेंस, प्रॉपर्टी, कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एंड सूट्स. इसमें आपको ज़्यादा क्वेश्चंस नहीं आते हैं. आर्टिकल 264 टू 300A, इसमें आपको ज़्यादा क्वेश्चंस नहीं आते हैं, तो ये ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है. 13th, पार्ट 13th, ट्रेड, कॉमर्स एंड इंटरकोर्स विद इन द टेरिटरी ऑफ इंडिया. आर्टिकल 301 टू 307. इसमें भी आपको बहुत कम ही क्वेश्चंस आते हैं, ज़्यादा क्वेश्चंस इसमें से पूछे नहीं जाते. किस तरीके से ट्रेडिंग होगी, कॉमर्स विद इन द टेरिटरी ऑफ इंडिया, इसमें वो आर्टिकल्स दिए गए हैं. Our next part is part 14th, services under the union and the states. ये भी आपका important नहीं है इतना. Article 308 to 323. Part 14th A, tribunals. Article 323 to 323A to 323B. इतना important नहीं है, but you can go through with this topic, tribunals. So these are the topics which is important here. Part 15th, elections, article 324 to 329A. This is the most important topic. Elections में से आपको questions आते हैं. Part 16, special provisions relating to certain classes, article 330 to 342. Part 17th, official language, article 343 to 351. Part 18th, emergency provisions, articles 352 to 360. इनका अलग कॉम्बिनेशन है, ये इनमें से क्वेश्चंस आते हैं, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स हैं. पार्ट 19th, मिसलेनियस. आपका इसमें से कोई भी टॉपिक नहीं आता. इट्स आर्टिकल 361 टू 367. इट्स नॉट इम्पॉर्टेंट. अमेंडमेंट ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन 368. This is a very, very, very important topic. Very important. You can highlight this. Very important. आपको इसमें से क्वेश्चन आते हैं. आर्टिकल 368. Temporary, transitional and special provisions. Article 369 to 392. And short title commencement, authoritative, text in Hindi and repeals. It's not actually important. It's a brief. Article 393 to 395. It's not actually important. So आपका ये भी बहुत important है. इसमें आपका आर्टिकल 370 बहुत important है, आप इसमें 370 पढ़ लेना. So this is important. So that's it. These are the important topics, and yeah, all the best, guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. Do subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon, and yeah, see you in my next video. Bye.